Hey, hi, hello guys, welcome back to HackIsOn tutorials. Today I have came back with another extraordinary video. So in this video we will be discussing about a tool called Metagoofil. Okay, so what this tool will do, the basic working process of this tool is nothing but information gathering about a website. Okay, so this tool will collect all the hidden informations that are available in a particular website, and it will give you you can even download files from a particular website. So most of the times you might get some hidden files also if there is any vulnerable available in the particular website. So you can even download the protected or personal files from a website. Okay, so without talking much, we will get into the chapter. So first of all, let's see how to install Metagoofil. Okay, so Metagoofil is available in Kali repository. So you just you have to use this command. Okay, so apt-get install Metagoofil. Okay, Metagoofil, and hit enter. Okay, so soon after the installation procedure will start, and you have to wait for some time. Okay, so the tool has been downloaded, and now it has been extracted. So it is now it is setting up Metagoofil. Okay, the installation procedure has completed. So now let's see how to use this tool. Okay, so I have cleared my terminal. So let's start Metagoofil. Okay, Metagoofil space we will get for the help. Okay, here these are all the options which we are going to use in Metagoofil. So here is they have given an example. Okay, so they have used apple.com to let me explain about this line. Okay, so metagoofil.py is nothing but this Metagoofil tool, and D is meant for domain, and T is meant for the file type. Okay, so if you want doc type, you can type doc PDF, and if you want image, you can add as you want. Okay, so you can add by your wish. So what L means, it is a limit. Okay, so how many search results you want, default it is 200. So N is nothing but limit of files to download. Okay, so they have given a limit of 50 files you have to download, like that. Okay, so -O means it is a working directory, and uh, they have given go and work on Apple files. Okay, so that is that is they mentioned there. So for F, it is output file, and they have mentioned it as results.html. Okay, so here we are going to use Kali Linux official website for this testing. So I am changing my directory to desktop, so it will be very easy to show you all. Okay, so here I have pasted here I have pasted the command which I have previously used. So Metagoofil space -d. D means domain, D for domain, and I have used kali.org space -t space PDF space -l. That is limit to, I have set the limit to 100. So space N 25, I have mentioned it as mentioned the limit of files to download as 25, and I have mentioned the directory as Kali PDF. So Kali PDF directory, this is the directory. Okay, so I have named the directory as Kali PDF. So I have named the result as that means the output file as Kali pdf.html. Okay, so here you could see in this particular folder you might see the all the necessary things like these are all the PDFs which has been downloaded from Kali official website. Okay, so let's open it up and see whether it is. Yes, these are all the things available in kali.org. Okay, so it is in Portuguese or Spanish, I think so. So you could you can use any website. Okay, so it will gather email and server information. Not only it will download the things, after downloading the files, it will give you nice informations. Okay, so here you could see it is in English and it is in our Russian version. Netherlands IT means somewhat. Okay, so they have collected the DEFCON workshops PDF and Black Hat 2015's PDF and all the PDFs. While you go and search in official Kali website, it would be very harder to find like this. Okay, so if you use this Metagoofil tool, you can easily download files from a website, and you can gather hidden informations about the server, about the website, and who knows, you might get some bug bounty too. If you find out any private informations of a website, you can even claim a bug bounty to that particular website if they have a private disclosure. Okay, disclosure, if the website has a disclosure policy, you can even go for a bug bounty hunting. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. It will take as much as time because lots of files may be in that particular website, so it might take lots of time. So I'm canceling, I'm exiting. Okay, so I have exited. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any doubts regarding this tool, you can comment in the comment section, and if you want any tool, please mention in the comment, so we will be posting a video regarding that also. So that's all for today, guys. So if you want to do CH, ECSA, CHFI and ENSA, and you are preparing to do any certifications regarding EC Council, you can contact to Twintech Solutions, such a nice organization which is providing a awesome training. Okay, so at lower price, so you can contact them, and on the top right corner you are having their contact number. And if you willing to join, use a code HackIsOn. Okay, so if you tell them HackIsOn, you might get some discounts. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Keep supporting us.